Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to export customers data from your WooCommerce store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com if you have not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here in the upper right corner. You want to get started logging into your account. So after logging into your account successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page where at the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on, and you have your WooCommerce option as well. So you want to open up WooCommerce in the dashboard if you have not already. This is going to enable you to start up your WooCommerce store if you don't already have one. If you've already created your store, then you'll be able to manage it from here. All your products, shipping info, and so on is manageable from the WooCommerce section right here. So let's go and take a look at how you can export all your customer data if you need it. What we're looking for guys is the plugins section right here. So you want to open up plugins in the left side screen. This is going to open up this plugin section where you can find all the plugins marketplace and the plugins you can use, and you want to use this search bar right here. What you want to do guys is search for export customers data. You want to search for this, and after searching for it, it's going to give us a list of all the tools and plugins we can use. And as you can see guys, here we have the export customers data plugin that you can use. So a great plugin to export WooCommerce customers data. This is going to enable you to install this plugin. So just click the install button right here, and this is going to add it to your store. So you'll be able to use this plugin, as you can see, to export your customers data that you can later use and you manage however you prefer. So you can use any of the plugins you see right here, but this is the best one. So go ahead and check it out for yourself, install it, and start using it today. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.